Honda Accord, SJSM, 1976–81. The first generation Honda Accord produced between 1976 and 1981 and known by the chassis codes SJ and SM represents the moment Honda transformed from a small car specialist into a global automotive giant. Originally launched as a three-door hatchback to bridge the gap above the Civic, this model was designed to offer fuel efficiency combined with a level of luxury and standard features that were rare for its class in the mid-1970s. The engineering of the first-generation Accord was led by Hiroshi Kaizawa and Shinya Iwakura under the guidance of the Honda Research and Development Team. An interesting fact about the Accord is that it was originally intended to be a larger car with a V6 engine, but the 1973 oil crisis forced Honda to pivot to a four-cylinder design focused on economy. Another fascinating detail is the inclusion of the CVCC engine technology, which allowed the car to meet strict emissions standards without the need for a catalytic converter. The interior was famous for its gentle blue or burgundy color schemes and a unique service indicator that told the driver when it was time to change the oil or rotate the tires. Because the Accord was a massive global success, over 1.8 million units were produced across the hatchback and the four-door sedan, which joined the lineup in 1977. In terms of public exposure, the Accord was a regular winner of Car of the Year awards in Japan and North America throughout the late 1970s. While it was not a dedicated race car, its reliable front-wheel drive layout and independent suspension made it a popular choice for amateur endurance racing and economy runs in the United States and Australia. Owner reviews from the late 1970s often highlighted the car's exceptional visibility and the high quality of the standard AM/FM radio and clock, which were often expensive options on competing cars. However, many owners in colder climates noted that the lightweight body panels were highly susceptible to corrosion. Because the first-generation Accord was an early pioneer of complex emissions systems, it faced several common mechanical challenges. The most frequent parts to fail were the numerous vacuum hoses associated with the CVCC carburetor, which would crack over time and cause rough idling or stalling. The early 5-speed manual transmissions were also known to have weak sinkers in second and third gears, which led to grinding during shifts. Most significantly, this model was subject to one of the largest safety recall campaigns of its era due to severe rusting of the front fenders and suspension mounting points, which could compromise the vehicle's structural integrity. Honda eventually offered to replace the fenders or even buy back some cars in certain regions to maintain their reputation for quality. The first-generation Honda Accord remains a significant milestone in automotive history as the car that defined the modern family sedan. It is remembered today as the vehicle that proved Japanese manufacturers could build a comfortable and reliable alternative to traditional American and European cars.